Today, we're unpacking a massive shift in the business world. For decades, data analytics meant really just one tedious thing, staring at endless spreadsheets and wrestling with complex queries until your eyes literally blurred. But let's be real, that reality? It's dead. Today, we're looking at how AI has finally evolved from just being a trendy buzzword into a genuine, highly capable operational partner.
So what actually happens when you finally stop staring at static spreadsheets and start, having an actual conversation with your data? Well, it triggers a massive operational shift. It completely redefines who gets to make data-driven decisions and exactly how fast they can make them.
Here is our roadmap for today. We've got 1. Talking to your data. 2. Explaining the why. 3. The speed advantage. 4. Empowering the people. And 5. Winning with AI. Let's get right to it. Section 1. Talking to your data.
Okay, let's dive into this. In the past, getting a specific answer meant hitting a massive technical wall. You needed to know SQL, or you had to navigate incredibly clunky software. The new way totally shatters that barrier. Now, you just ask a question in plain English. Instead of spending an hour writing a complex database query, you just ask something like, hey, what were our top-selling products last month? And boom, instant answers.
Think of AI as the ultimate translator. It's kind of like having a bilingual data scientist right in your pocket. It acts as this crucial bridge between our everyday human language and the highly complicated way data is actually stored in back-end databases. You no longer need to speak the database's language because the AI speaks it for you.
Section 2. Explaining the why.
We've all experienced the dashboard of doom with old-school analytics tools, right? You open it up and the dashboard flashes a big, terrifying red number. Sales dropped 12%, and that's where the tool stops working, leaving the heavy lifting entirely up to human guesswork. You still have to spend hours playing detective just to figure out what that 12% drop actually means.
And this brilliantly illustrates where modern AI steps in to really compound your data's value. It goes 3 steps further. Step 1, it spots unusual background patterns automatically. Step 2, and honestly, this is the real game changer. It explains why it happened. It tells you exactly which regional supply chain issue caused that 12% drop. And Step 3, it suggests what to do next. It turns static numbers into an actionable narrative.
Section 3. The speed advantage.
The sheer contrast in time here is honestly staggering. Traditional analysis is agonizingly slow. By the time a human pulls, cleans, and formats a report, which can take weeks, let's be honest, the business problem has already changed. AI analytics does this on the spot, in minutes. Instead of waiting for next month's manually cleaned report, teams get instant answers, allowing businesses to pivot at lightning speed.
Section 4. Empowering the people. Now, whenever we talk about automating technical tasks, we absolutely have to confront the elephant in the room regarding job security. It's the question on everyone's mind. Will AI actually replace data analysts?
Well, the answer from the data is a definitive no. In reality, it's doing the exact opposite. It's taking over the soul-crushing, repetitive parts of the job, stuff like data cleaning and running routine daily reports. But taking all that busy work off their plates, it frees up analysts to focus on testing new ideas and solving the complex problems that genuinely require deep human judgment. Just look at how this ripples across an entire company. A marketing manager used to email the data team and wait 3 whole days just to get a simple metric. Now, they ask a question and get an instant answer. A salesperson no longer has to wait for an end-of-month report to understand their territory. They get real-time answers right on the spot. Even support leads bypass the technical bottleneck completely. Absolutely everyone gets direct access.
So, the crucial point is, this brings us to a major industry buzzword, democratizing data. But looking beyond the corporate jargon, this is what it actually means in practical reality. It's simply about allowing more people across the organization to use data to make better decisions, much faster, without ever needing a degree in data science to do it.
Section 5. Winning with AI. The companies that actually win with AI aren't just the ones with the deepest pockets, buying the flashiest tools. Victory comes from strategy, for sure. Successful companies start with real business problems, not just the technology itself. They intentionally remove barriers for their non-technical employees. They use AI for velocity, not just basic back-office automation. And above all, they always keep human beings firmly at the helm of strategic judgment. If there's one core takeaway you get from this explainer, it's this. AI for data analytics isn't about adding complexity, and it certainly isn't about replacing your team. It's a fundamental workflow shift. It makes your data easier to understand, radically faster to act on, and available to the people who actually need it, exactly when they need it.
Because the businesses that get this right are going to pull ahead, and rapidly. So as you adopt these tools, ask yourself and your team, will you just end up hoarding more data? Or will you leverage this shift to empower your people, answer the whys, and make better decisions faster than your competitors? The choice and the competitive advantage is entirely up to you.